Alright guys, for those of you who don't know what we're doing, we're going to shoot 2 toothpicks out of my pellet pistol. And this video we're going to be shooting just yarn as a plug for it. And what I think I'm gonna do on the first one is I'm gonna cut a piece off, and I may wet it down just a little bit so it sticks. But give me a second. Alright guys, I think what I want to do on this one is I'm just gonna put the toothpick in. And see, it's down here, right here at the plunger. Push it forwards, and I wet my yarn. I did wet my piece of yarn down just a little bit, and then I'm just gonna cram it up in the hole. Wad it up some. And we'll make just a couple rounds, and let's see if does the toothpick fall out. Yeah, the toothpick still falls out, so I don't think I like this, but let's see how she does. Well, she went through it. Actually, she did really good. I hit the bullseye with it. It went right through. I don't see the yarn right offhand. Oh yeah, I found the yarn. Found the yarn. The yarn looks definitely rough. We'll zoom in for the bullseye. Let me lift up a little bit. But you can see that one right in the middle. Those other toothpicks are from another video. But the one right in the bullseye is the one I hit. But alright, now let me get my next toothpick ready. And I'm going to pull those 2 extra ones out. I forgot they were there. Okay guys, this toothpick I want to do a little bit different. I want to run it through the yarn. Try to get that on video, because I want it to try to stay in the barrel, and I may have to use a plunger to stick it down, or use another rod. I wish my bolt came completely out, but it don't. And then I'm going to twist that up just a little bit, but I want that just to be able to catch the air, and then well, after that, once it starts flying, it'll just go through the air like a dart. But let's see if I can get it down the barrel like I want it to. Let me see right there. And see, I bet this is going to be the hard part here. Okay, I'm twisting a little bit, and it seems to be going. Because there is quite a bit of room between the barrel and the toothpick. Okay, I have the yarn and toothpicks in. Let me get a plunger. Okay, when I pushed on just the toothpick, the yarn went in. I wish I had a bigger plunger. I don't know where one's at right now. Well, that'll just have to work. We'll go down just a wee bit more. I almost got my stick stuck in it. I'm glad I stopped there. Alright, I got my stick back out. Alright, well that's not all the way down, but it is down to there, so we're going to shoot this. Alright, I got it cocked. Let me get you straight on the target.